Hi, hello everyone. To Target Chemistry. Now this is the third video of heterocyclic chemistry. Now here we are going to discuss about some different type of reaction of furan, pyrrole, etc. Okay. Now first we discuss the reduction. Okay. The reduction, the furan and pyrrole. Pyrrole, if we reduce pyrrole with H2PT, then we get this product. Okay, this all the double bond present in the ring are reduced. Okay, now if we get furan with H2 nickel, then we get this type of product. But if we take zinc acetic acid of furan, we get here double bond. Okay, and when thiophene reduced with H2PD, we get this type of beta, that is all double bond reduced. Okay, now this is the very important reaction, that is Diels-Alder reaction, and we know that the only furan can use as a diene in Diels-Alder reaction, and we know that in Diels-Alder reaction one diene and one dienophiles are required. So this is actually least aromatic among the three. That means furan, pyrrole and thiophene. So furan is less aromatic. Okay, so it behaves as a diene. Now when it reacts with any dienophile like this anhydride, we get this product, and we get two type of product, that is exo, and we can write this in this way. Now if we react with another dienophile, we get this type of product. Okay, so thiophene and pyrrole does not undergo Diels-Alder reaction. However, but following A reacts with highly reactive dienophile. A, when this furan replaces, when the hydrogen present on this pyrrole is replaced any electron withdrawing group like COMe, then it reacts as a diene in Diels-Alder reaction, and then it reacts with any dienophile to get this type of Diels-Alder product. So withdrawing group, it reduces the availability of nitrogen lone pair. Lone pair electron reduces for the ring, so it behaves more like a diene. Okay, so it behaves most like a diene. And we react simple pyrrole with any electrophile, we get this Michael type product, that is at C2 position only substitution occurs. But when this hydrogen of pyrrole is replaced by any electro withdrawing group, then we get Diels-Alder product. But if we react chloroform and KOH, the increasing the number of the bonds, that is ring increases. When we react with chloroform KOH, ring expansion occurs, that is we get pyridine type of product. Okay, or if we react any N2CCO2, that is a carbon, react with any carbon, we get this type of product. So here we see that the mechanism, when we react with chloroform with KOH, here also a carbon form, the CCl2 carbon, and it form 8 bond with this carbon double bond, and we get this product. When this bond it goes here and one chlorine remove, we get this product. After removing of H plus, we get this product. Okay, now here we discuss about reaction of pyridine. So this is the structure of pyridine. When you consider electrophilic substitution, so in presence of any electrophile, if we substitute electrophile at C3 position, where we get here positive charge, this carbon gets positive charge. After removing H plus, we get this type of product. So but the ring is highly deactivated, about 1,000,000 times than the benzene. Why? Because of more electronegative pulls the electron towards itself. Presence of this nitrogen this ring is highly deactivated. So electronegative substitution take place at C3 in pyridine. Okay, that's why electronegativity. That's why due to presence of electronegativity, electrophilic substitution reaction take place at C3 in pyridine. Okay. Now, if we substitute Y, that means Y plus. If we substitute Y plus in pyridine, we get here positive charge at C2 position and here C4 position, C4 and C6 position. So only at C3 and C5 position electron density are more, but at C2 and C4 positive charge on nitrogen present on ring, and electron density at C3 and C5, only C3 and C5. So we see that C3 and C5 the electron density is more. That's why any substitution reaction occurs at C3. Okay, so phenyl cap alkylation and acylation does not proceed with pyridine. So in presence, so pyridine does not involve in any phenyl cap alkylation or acylation type reaction. Okay, so if we react pyridine, then any substitution or any group can substitute at the hydrogen at C3 position. So any group substitute at C2 position. If we react Cl2 at LCl3, we get chlorine at C3. Similarly, H2SO4 AgCl2 sulfonation, then SO3H at C3. Similarly, when we do the nitration, then we get NO2 at C2. Similarly, Br2 fuming H2SO4 Br at C3. So all the reaction or the substitution occurs at C3 position. Okay. So nucleophilic substitution much more readily than benzene in case of pyridine, because the ring has lower electron density. Than benzene, because due to the electron withdrawing by nitrogen. So the ring has lower electron density than benzene due to the electron withdrawing by N, which is also responsible for its lower reactivity towards electrophiles. Okay, so the high reactivity of pyridine towards nucleophilic substitution can cause displacement of even powerful hydride. Example, here we see that here one hydrogen, so all the hydrogens present at this position. So when we react NaNH2, then Na plus and NH2 minus form, and this NH2 minus can abstract proton from this side and we get this NH2. So this is very important reaction, and it is called Chichi-Baby reaction. And nucleophilic substitution take place at C2 and C4. Okay, this is very important because here nucleophilic substitution occurs at C2 and C4 position in presence of NaNH2, and this is called Chichi-Baby reaction. Okay, so we can see that the high reactivity of pyridine towards nucleophilic substitution can cause displacement of even powerful hydride. Okay, now if we see the another mechanism, so when any nucleophile add to the C2 position, where we see that this double bond goes here, that is a negative charge present on nitrogen atom, and this negative charge goes here and bond here, so we get negative charge here. Also when this goes here and we get this negative charge here. Okay, so negative charge on nitrogen due to attack at C2. So only when any nucleophile attacked at C2, then negative charge present on nitrogen. Okay, similarly, if we see this mechanism, that is when any nucleophile add to the C4 position, okay, the negative charge goes here and this negative charge goes here, then gets negative charge on nitrogen atom. So in this way, see the mechanism. This is the mechanism that why at C2 and C4 substitution reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction take place. Okay, and this is the mechanism, or you can see this is the resonance habit structure. Due to the resonance we can say that nucleophilic substitution take place at C2 and C4. Okay. Now, if leaving group at C2 and C4 are different, okay, the leaving group at C2 and C4 are different, the incoming nucleophile will preferentially substituted for the weaker base, that is the better leaving group. So here we see that in this case no leaving group present. So that's why when react with PHLi, then pH can substitute this C2 position. Similarly, when we react with ammonia, then NH2 substitute at C2 position. But this is the very important reaction. Then this OMe group presents at C2 and Br group at C4. Then any nucleophile like NH2 minus, then which group will substituted by NH2 minus? So here you can see that here Br group substituted by NH2 minus at C4 position. Why this happen? Because bromine is good leaving group than OMe. Okay. In case of this compound, here you can see that this OMe group replace this Cl group at C2 position, because here chlorine is a good leaving group than Me. Okay. In our next video, we will discuss about indole or any other reaction. So thank you for watching.